Such a nice day, I've decided to go and check all the fences. You've got to do it this time of year, the leaves build up on the water gates and stuff. Yeah, so just basically going for a walk. I thought I'd check this fence. Did this in the summer when it was really hot. It was lovely. Yeah, the sheep were walking around because the lake had dropped so much. It's a bit of a bodge job, but it's still there. So I'll go and check some other ones. Here you go, you can see all the leaves have clogged up the bottom of the gate. So I just kick them through and it'll drain this pond and stop the pressure on the fence. There, it only takes a minute, but if you don't do it, it puts loads of pressure on the fence and can snap it. I'm just checking the edge of the lake for roadies. They sometimes sort of come up in the bank, but I've not found any so far. But yeah, the mist is nearly gone.